Now these buttons work. Also page loads within this custom-made browser space. And loading. Page load is a little slow on this. If you press go back a page, then it goes back to a previous page. Loading from the URL takes a lot of time on the emulator for some reason. I don't think it was this slow before. I added 3 lines to scale the web page so that they will fit in this small window nicely, but I don't know, it made it really slow on the emulator. No, it didn't go back. Okay, one more time. Go back a page. Okay, looks like it's working. It doesn't look like it's. Oh yeah, it is working. Now it's back to the home page. So there are a lot more features now. As you can see, buttons are all defined here and initialized, and these are variables for each button: go, back, forward, refresh, and clean history. Initially I defined the view in XML. See, there are buttons: be back, be forward. I defined them in a view, and I brought this XML page into the application to create a screen display. But what I did here is, because I needed to manipulate them, I had to refer to those view items this way. And okay, so creating instances of those items in a view. So these buttons now can be referred as go, back, forward, refresh, clear history, and so on. And also I attached the on-click listeners to these buttons so that when the user clicks on the button, it will send the information that the button was clicked to the system, to the application. Here is what actually happens when the buttons are clicked. I added on-click listener, so there's a on-click method here, and whenever it detects the on-click, what's in here happens. And I use switch and case to create variations. If that's the case, then that happens. If this is the case, this happens, and stuff like that. And so I define different buttons here. This is the top button to go to whatever the page user enter into the text box here. So I define this box. It'll take you to this, whatever the address it is in this. It's kind of annoying. And be back, this is simply this browser, web view browser that I define here, created here. Just this is what it does. Go back. It's pretty easy, handy method of function to use. And the same way, go forward. If you attach this action to the browser, the browser is going to do this thing. Go forward simply, and reload, same thing, and clear history. So that's pretty simple. Most difficult part is probably this. So I take the string from the text box. So this string is a type, variable type string, and this is the variable, the website, that I am storing the URL, the user entering in the box, into this variable. And by using get text, URL is is the variable I define here. And it's referencing to this text box here. So whatever is typed in edit text box will be stored in here. Then I'm using this load URL method predefined method in web view class, and if I use this method, then the browser will take you to whatever the URL locations enter in here. So that's how it works. It's pretty straightforward. I don't think I can do it off my head without looking at this yet, but this could be pretty useful for my future app development. I might be able to use it for my training application as well.